to start the result of triangles. Okay, so we are going so many results in regarding the triangle. So we will learn one of the result from today, and we will also learn the application of that result. Okay, so all the results is very important. Okay, so please try to understand all the results one by one. Okay, so first of all I am going to solve one of the results of triangle. Okay, that is the internal angle bisector. Okay, if two internal angle bisector is given, then what will be the result? So okay, so result number one, that is the result number one. Okay, result number one, result number one. Okay, so in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, the bisector of angle B and C, the bisectors of angle B and C, bisector of angle B and C intersect each other at O, at point O, at point O, at point O. Okay, so prove that the angle of BOC equals to 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 1 by 2 of angle A. Okay, this is the questions. This is the result number one. Okay, so please try to understand. This is the triangle. Okay, this is the triangle, and the value of here is the A, and here is the B, here is the C. So bisector of angle B and C means this is the bisector of B and this is the bisector of C, that is the meet at O. Okay, so you must understand that the value of this angle is equals to this, and the value of this equals to this, because this is the bisector. So we can write here given that is the what we can write here angle but in triangle ABC, a triangle ABC, we can write here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Okay, in triangle ABC, angle 1 equals to angle 2 and angle 3 equals to angle 4. Okay, so we need to prove here, to prove what we need to prove here, angle BOC equals to 90 degree plus 1 by 2 angle A. This is we need to prove here. Okay, so prove. So first of all we need to find here angle BOC. Okay, so we can write here but angle A plus B plus C, we can write here in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to what? 180 degree due to angle sum property of triangle. Okay, this is the value. So now we are going to divide 1 by 2. So we will get here what? On dividing 1 by 2 we will get here what? Angle A by 2, angle A by 2 plus angle what? B by 2 plus angle what? C by 2 equals to what? Angle 180 by 2. So please try to find here angle B by 2. We can write here what? This is the bisector, so angle B by 2 is angle 2, and angle 2 is here, and angle bisector of C, that means angle 4, and here is the 90 degree minus what? Angle A by 2. This is the value. Okay, now in triangle what? So this is the equation number 1, and now we will take the triangle what? In triangle in BOC. Okay, so now in triangle BOC we can write here angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle what? BOC equals to what? 180 degree. Okay, equal to 180 degree. This is due to ASP. Okay, so first of all you need to find here 2 plus 4, so we can write here angle 2 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree minus angle BOC. So this is the equation number 2. So we can equate the equation number 1 and 2 because LHS is equal. So we can write here from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and equation 2. So we can write here what? 90 minus A by 2. 90 degree minus angle A by 2 equals to 180 degree minus angle BOC. So BOC will be shift in LHS, so it will become plus, and 180 minus 90, that is the 90, and plus angle what? A by 2. So this is the value and this is the result of question this. Okay, so you should try to practice that things. Okay, sometimes the question used to ask in different way. Okay, different way. So please try to understand that question. Okay, please try to understand that question. Like question numbers means नेक्स्ट टाइप क्वेश्चन में आपको यहाँ पे अलग तरह से क्वेश्चन भी आपसे पूछ सकते हैं. ओके, सो प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. लेट्स so that the bisectors of the angles, so that the bisectors of the base angles, bisector of the base angles can never include right angle. Okay, can never include right angle. This is the question number 2. By the similar way, okay, if possible we can take here BOC equals to 90. We need to check here. So we can write here in triangle, but in triangle BOC we can write here what? Angle BOC plus angle what? 2 plus angle 4, angle 2 plus angle 4, that is the 180. This is the AST. Okay, so angle BOC is what? You can understand that the BOC is 90 degree. So angle what? 2 plus angle 4, that is the 180 degree. Okay, so we can write here angle 2 plus angle 4, that is the 180 degree minus 90 degree. So angle 2 we can write here what? Angle 2 means B by 2. Angle 2 is B by 2 plus angle 4 is C by 2, that is the 90. So B plus C equals to what? 90 to the 180. So 90 to the 180. So you please try to understand angle B plus C equals to 180. Okay, so आपको देखिए B और C का सम आपका 180 हो गया. अगर B का और C का सम 180 हो गया, सो वी कैन राइट हियर इन ट्राइंगल ABC, ये आपका A इक्वल्स टू 0 डिग्री होना चाहिए. तो ये पॉसिबल कभी नहीं हो सकता है. ओके, यहाँ पे एंगल A इक्वल्स टू क्या होना चाहिए? 0 डिग्री होना चाहिए. आप एंगल A इक्वल्स टू 0 हो नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि आपको ट्राइंगल अगर बड़े वाले में है तो एंगल A प्लस B प्लस C इक्वल्स टू कितना आना चाहिए? आपका 180 आना चाहिए. और आपका B प्लस C पहले से आपका 180 आ चुका है. सो वी कांट इट इज़ नॉट अ पॉसिबल सी BOC इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. आपका BOC जो होगा 90 डिग्री जो है नहीं होगा. ये आपको प्रूव हो गया. ठीक है, सो अब इसका कुछ मैं एप्लीकेशन कुछ क्वेश्चन कराते हैं. इसका एप्लीकेशन इसका कुछ हम सिखाते हैं आपको इसका. तो पहला जो है इसका आप देखिए इसका एप्लीकेशन. ये क्वेश्चन तो हम आपको 2 रिजल्ट आपको इसका तो बताया. इसका एक रिजल्ट बताया और इसका ये कैसे इसका दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट इज द please try to understand that question application. Okay, application of the result. Application. So the application of the result, please try to understand. Here is the triangle. Here is the one of the triangle here. This is the triangle. Here is the A, here is the B, here is the C, and here is the 90. Sorry, here is the bisector. Okay, this is the value and here is the angle A. This is the bisector. Okay, ये आपका क्या है, bisector है, and here is also bisector, and you have angle A equals to 70 degree. So angle A equals to, already given, angle A equals to 70 degree. You need to find here, find angle BOC. So first of all, you can solve directly, or you can solve by the process Y. I will discuss both of the methods. As we know that result. Okay, we know that result. So we can write here result. So angle BOC equals to what? 90 degree plus 1 by 2 of angle A. So angle A is what? 70 degree. So we can write here 90 plus 1 by 2 into A is what? 70. So here is the 35. So 90 plus 35. So we can write here 5 and 9, 3, 12, 125. This is the value of angle BOC. Okay, so you can find by directly with the help of previous result. And now we are going to solve by process wise. Okay, so please try to understand that. Suppose here is the in triangle ABC, we can write here angle A plus angle B plus angle what? C equals to what? 180 degree due to angle sum property. A is what? 70 degree and B is what? We need to find here B plus C, that is the 180. So angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So angle B plus C equals to 110 degree. Okay, so we can divide both sides by 2. So B by 2 plus what? C by 2, that is the 55 degree. So we can write here B by 2. Suppose here is the 1, here is the 2. B by 2 means we can write here angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, so angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 55 degree. And after that we can write in triangle in triangle BOC, angle 1 plus 2 plus BOC, that is the 180. So the value of A 1 plus 2, that is the 55, plus BOC equals to 180. So BOC is what? We can subtract it. BOC equals to 180 degree minus 55. So the value of what? So we can write here, yes, 125 degree. That is the answer. So this is the two methods. So first you can solve by directly, and second you can solve by process wise. Okay, so I will give some homework regarding this. Please try to find here some, in each and every case you need to find here angle BOC. आपको हर केस में BOC find करना है. So I am going to give some questions regarding this topic. So here is the questions. That is the homework. Okay, homework. Suppose here A equals to 60 degree and A equals to question 1. That is the question 2. A equals to 50 degree. Angles next. A equals to 80 degree. Next, A equals to 66 degree. And fifth, angle A equals to 74 degree. Okay, so you need to find all of the questions. This is the based on the result number 1. Okay, thank you.